Sound. My man, look at that. Y'all see that? You can smell the hydrocarbon. That's the way we was living back in the old days, guys. That is totally not legal this day and age. I can smell the carbon dioxide. I can smell the hydrocarbon. I can smell it all. Oh man, go ahead on with your bad self. Okay. V-Tech, dual overhead cam. Look, there go. Okay, guys. Everybody is hanging on to their Vipers, their Camaros, everything. And rightfully so. Look what he did to his Mustang, y'all. Boy, he ready for the track. At least it looked ready for the track. Racing tires on the rear. He ready for the track. Check out these. Yeah, look at the Mopar lineup. Well, not really a lineup. See one right here. Now that's a muscle car, guys. I don't think you'll see a Hemi, a 3.6 Pentastar engine in one of these. All right. But I talked about respect for my man with that. I'm just gonna film as I go. So I'm getting ready to wind it down, guys. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna see a 3.6 and a. I haven't yet to see a wide body. I know Dodge make the challenges, some wide body challenges. I have yet to see one, so I don't know. Man, y'all heard that? Uh-oh, that sounds good. Is he gonna hit it? Police right around the corner, waiting, boy. That is a no-no. All right, you cannot do that. Man, getting ready to wrap it up, guys. Y'all see him? Look at the outfit he got on. So even if he fall, he's gonna be all right, unless it just twists his body all totally, totally crazy. But he should be all right with that outfit. Hey, look at this Corvette. Is that it? No, that's not. Oh, that's what people go to look at the exit strategy. He had enough. Hey, y'all see that? What in the world was that? Some people really just pay for sound, guys. Oh, that was him. Is that him? Yeah, that was him. Nice ass Jeep right there. Supercharger. Ladies and gentlemen, he must just bought that, just left, or either rented it, just for the car show. Okay? Very nice. I hope don't nobody hit each other. Such a herd. Hey, look at this dude here. Man. Hey, old school. Look at that. Look at this. Where you at, Charlie? Oh man, check out my man right here. That is nice. Challenging. Wonder what's under the hood. Please don't be no 3.6. Muscle in this GT. There's some muscle behind him too. So go figure. It took all that just to move that little distance. Hey, what's going on, my man? Got a nice Jeep. Big body Jeep. With Scoots. Snoop Doggy Dog. On them switches. On them things. This is nice. Alright guys. Whoa. That could have been ugly. Trying to talk them into hitting it. Check that one out. Uh-oh. There go the popo. See, that's why they're scared. Y'all see that? They're going to get somebody. That's why you got it. See? Police can't really tell. Man, he got his camera on his wrist. Oh, he got his GoPro up there. That's what they do on the exit tip. That's what they do on the way out, guys. Alright, so I'm about to head out. I had enough fun.